to pay attention to what I'm going to ask you this morning, and it's called voir dire, which means to speak the truth.
I was in court. I was in court because the corporate farms have all the money. It's the only thing I can figure. I don't understand it. I don't know how it even got past the police to begin with. We had to wear masks to go outside. They literally would set fires. They would set these big piles of dirt and tree trunks on fire on Friday and leave them smolder. They'd smolder for like 4 days. So I, of course, contacted the owners of the corporate farm, and they didn't really do anything about it, but then they signed out, well, a warrant was signed out for my arrest for larceny, for some wood that had been removed 2 years prior to that, when the other people owned it. I was out watering the trees that they ran over, and one of their trucks came by and stopped and backed up. Of course, I'm eating the dust, and there were 2 men in it, and one man got out and came around and told me he was Davy Crockett, and he said, "I heard you've been harassing my guys." And I said, "Well, your information's incorrect. I have not harassed anybody." He said, "If I have a problem, I go to the Woodies. They're just doing what they're told." And he said, "Well, that's good, because I would hate to see someone get hurt." Because this hurt. This hurt me financially. The stress was unbelievable. The humiliation, and I mean, I was arrested, I was shackled, handcuffed, fingerprinted, picture taken. I spent the day in jail, and all for nothing.
My understanding from what I heard in there is they could not say when you supposedly stole this wood.
Right.
That's the reason it was thrown out.
Right.
Right?
Right. They couldn't, well, the judge said they couldn't even say if it was stolen. If it ever happened at all, was her wording.
Obviously this wasn't about the wood. What was it about?
I don't think it was about the wood either. I don't know. Like I said, I don't know if it was I was being made an example because there are so many people in Windsor that are fighting with them. Maybe I was an easy target. It's either that, or maybe they thought if they made life so miserable, we would sell the property to them at a reduced price. I don't know. That you'd have to ask the Woodies that, because I don't know.
How much did you spend fighting this?
$6,000.
That's attorney fees, right?
Yep.
Is the community helping you with that?
No. They have offered, but I don't take money like that.
Why not?
Because I never have, and I'm not going to let the corporate farms make me behave in a way that I would not normally do it.